To enable or disable phone calls on your Redmi Watch 6, first of all, we need to go to the Mi Fitness app on your phone or Mi Fitness app. Make sure that you have the device category selected, and of course, make sure that the Redmi Watch 6 is selected as well. Now, once we are here, you want to go to Notifications and Calls, and then here we have Incoming Calls. You want to make sure that both of these options are enabled here. So we have Optimize Incoming Call Notifications and Show Contact Info. Now, besides that, in some cases, if the watch fails to detect that you have it on your wrist, then when someone calls you, you might not be notified on your watch. If that is the case, you can go to App Notifications, and you want to disable Notify Only when worn. And also here in More Options, if you have custom notifications enabled, you might want to scroll down to find the phone app in case you can actually see it over here. Most likely you will not be able to find it here because it is actually separated. But in case you can find the phone app on this list, then you want to make sure that it is enabled. So if it's off, just tap on the switcher to turn it on. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.